Welcome to the Eastway football game. They're going for the halftime run, and he's down. Going into halftime. Number 10 on the run. Home team 6, visitors 15 at the half. And it's halftime.
She told me I can, but thank you.
Eastway cheerleaders take the field.
Come on, Cinto.
Getting it organized.
Fine speed, we're gonna take on Steel Hill. He at the playground. I'm gonna go talk to him. I see him too.
And they're off the field. Timeout on the field. Injured player coming off the field. .7:57 left in the third quarter. Eastway 6, the visitors 15. Third and about 6, penalty on the field. Looks like offsides on the defense. Walk off 5 yards from the spot. Should bring up about a 3rd and 1 yard to go. Signal first down on the field. 1st and 10, Eastway. Driving down. On the defensive side of the field, about the 37-yard line. Be great for Eastway to come out with an opening drive and score. And get the momentum going for the second half. Run play up the middle. Good yard, qualitative yardage. Enough for a first down to the defensive 25-24 yard line. 1st and 10 on the 24-yard line. About to get in the red zone. 6 minutes, 34 seconds left in the third quarter. Eastway on the move. Run up the middle. Pick up. Positive yardage. Great opening drive for Eastway. Second down and about 6 yards to go. Timeout on the field. Visiting team has a timeout. Eastway taking a long time to come up with the next play. Flag on the play. Motion on Eastway. Let's set them back. Make the next play very big. Hope it doesn't stop the momentum and kill the drive. $11 yards to go for the first down. And on the side, got a little breathing room. Breaks one tackle. Hey, watch out the extra activity on the sideline, and he gets a flag for it. Unsportsmanlike conduct. They give Eastway a first down deep in the visitors' territory. Should be an automatic first down. You see what the call is on the field. $15-yard penalty. Takes him deep into the visitors' territory. On the 11-yard line. Good run. Brings up a second down and about 4 yards for a first down. And about 6 yards for a touchdown. First down on the 2-yard line. A little confusion in the backfield, gets it going. Looking good on the running play. Positive yard. Eastway continue to march down the field. Third and about a yard to go for a first, and 3 yards for a touchdown. Whatever happens, Eastway doesn't want to get stopped out right here. And the visitors definitely want to make a big stand. This is very important that they hold Eastway out of the end zone. Middle. Signal from the touchdown, Eastway on the opening drive. That's a great way to come out of it on the second half. Take the ball all the way down for a touchdown. 15-12. Visitors in the lead for now. Eastway signaling that they're going to go for 2 points. Extra point, no good. So Eastway 12, visitors 15. Great looking for the start of second half. Prepare for a kickoff and see if Eastway can hold the defense and hold their offense to not score. Eastway prepared to kick the ball off. The whistle is blown. Good kick. A lot of height to it. Scramble for the ball. Visitors carry to get the ball. 1st and 10. Clubview coming up for 1st and 10. See if they can retaliate with the score of their own. Eastway march right down the field on their opening drive. There's a breakaway. Kind of opening in the defense. Tell you what, if Eastway lets them tit for tat, looks like they're going to come up on the short end, so they need to put together a stop. Keep the momentum in their favor with 2 minutes, 21 seconds left in the 3rd quarter. Not quite, but time is becoming a factor. Eastway needs to get in a hurry to stop this offense. Second down coming up. 7 yards to go, 2nd and 7. On the Eastway, Clubview on the Eastway 37-yard line. Man in motion. Going around the side, seeing a little daylight. Good pickup. Chased out of bounds. Not before he can pick up a good 4 yards. Brings up a 3rd down. And about 4 yards to go for the first. It's a big play right here. This way can stop him. Get that ball back. Carry that momentum into the 4th quarter. 1 minute, 30 seconds to go in the 3rd quarter. Stingy defense, big play defense, negative yard defense, brings up a 4th and about 5 yards to go for a 1st down. Clubview going to a hurry-up offense. Not quite sure why. Oh, I see why. Good play, breaks up the middle. Looks like he's got first down yardage, 1st and 10, Clubview. Clubview putting together a drive of their own on the Eastway 26-yard line. Timeout on the field. Referees called a timeout for an injury. Resume action. 1st and 10, Clubview with the ball. Like a big play coming up. Loss of yardage. Good game. 2nd down, 13 yards to go for the 1st down. Be a big stop. Time becoming a factor. 3rd quarter coming to an end. 7 seconds left in the 3rd. That's the end of the 3rd quarter. Clubview 15, Eastway 12.
What I got for them.
Yeah.
I guarantee that ambulance pull up here and they get that bill, that bomber go pass out when you see that ambulance bill. Yeah, I bet he'll get up the next time.
Back to action. 2nd down, 14.
Got it.
In the backfield. Eastway's defense coming alive. backwards motion. Brings up a third down and about 20 yards to go. Third down and about 21 yards to go. Momentum shifting to the Eastway side. Nine minutes, 33 seconds left to go in the fourth and final quarter of the contest between the Clubview and Eastway. Offsides. Movement before the snap. Eastway, hope they don't give all the yardage back. Third and about 13 now. Well, you taking a little time behind the huddle. Pass. Pass was complete. There's a flag on the field. Let's see what the call is. The huddle going on. Dead ball foul. Legal procedure. Legal motion. Clubview. So they give that 5 back that they got. So we play third down. 19 yards to go for the first down. Quarterback keeps it, gets to the outside, breaks to the inside, and he's brought down. The tackle, number 91 on the tackle. I think he saved a long break. He was the last orange shirt between the quarterback and a lot of green yards in front of him. Brings up a fourth down and about 13 yards, 14 yards to go. Pass play. Incomplete pass. Turnover on downs. Eastway ball. There's a flag on the field. Not so fast, Eastway. Let's see what the call is from the referees. Holding. Clubview. I think we ought to decline that, but it's up to the coaches. Holding. Clubview. Decline. Good job. Eastway ball, 1st and 10. On the 31-yard line, Clubview. And this is a huge drive for Eastway. 7 minutes, 43 seconds left in the quarter. Both offenses holding the ball pretty well. So Eastway has to take advantage of this opportunity. They want to get the win. Over the middle, little green light, little daylight. Front line doing a great job for Eastway tonight. Guys are making sure that the running backs are getting some daylight here in the second half. Defensive line and the offensive line have done a magnificent job. Got a little daylight again. Couple of broken tackles, and he's still on his feet. Great running. Whoa, turnover. Clubview has the ball. Good second and third effort, but it may have cost it more than what Eastway can pay if they don't get a turnover quickly with 6 minutes, 50 seconds left in the game. Both defenses, I must say that they're coming up to the test here. Both offensive lines are doing a great job. It's a really good game. It's going to come down to which team has the best strategy, because both of them are pretty evenly matched here. Pass play, almost picked off by Eastway. That truly would have been another big turnover had he been able to get that ball. Nevertheless, batting it out of the air causes a second down and 10. And the clock stopped. 6 minutes, 26 seconds to go in the fourth quarter. Second down, 10 yards to go. Clubview on the Eastway 42-yard line. Ball's been on the Eastway side of the field for most of the second half. And on the side, quarterback keeper. Just a little daylight. Eastway doing a great job on defense. The line is keeping the offense from getting into the secondary, which is a great thing. Third down, 9 yards to go. Be a great time for a turnover from Eastway. And the stop will be just as good. Back snap the ball up the middle. A lot of daylight. 1 man to beat, and he holds him. Great touchdown saving tackle, number 34. Good tackle to save that game. I think that would have been ball game. He was one tackle away. 5 minutes, 46 seconds to go. First down, Clubview. And again, they're hurrying the offense, and I'm not sure why. One of the few times in the second half the Clubview has gotten into the Eastway secondary. It truly was painful. And daylight. Eastway's defense is getting a little loose. 5 minutes, 29 seconds to go in the fourth quarter. Another flag on the field. The referees calling a pretty tight game this game. That was a big mark off. Missed the call. Looked like holding. Whatever it is, 15-yarder. Ah, what a setback. Third and 4. This way defense is responding. play becoming bigger and bigger. 5 minutes left. Eastway's defense responding since that penalty. Third down coming up, and a farm to go. Third on the farm. Now will be a big time for a big play. 4 minutes, 30 seconds to go. Pass play again, and he completes it down the field. Lobbed by Green in front of him. He's going to the 10, and touchdown, Clubview. That was a greatly executed play. We tried it about 5 times and finally got it to go. I think it came at a critical time for Eastway. Man, Eastway defensive line. Big play. Good hit, number 91. On the stop for the 2 points. Fourth quarter action. 4 minutes, 11 seconds to go. Clubview 21. Eastway 12. Ball kicked off. Eastway needs to take it back for a touchdown right now. Time is crucial for Eastway now. Big pass play by Clubview has set up for a win for Clubview if they can just hold off Eastway right here for 4 minutes, 10 seconds to go in the fourth quarter. They're up by 9 points, so it's a 2-score game in order for Eastway to pull off a W. And all Clubview has to do basically is stop this drive, and they'll be in good shape for the win. So Eastway must score right here. Going to a shotgun formation. Yeah, it's gonna be on YouTube. Just check it out. I'll let you know. I'll give you the address when I come back.
Hold it.
Eastway with the ball, going up the middle. Clubview defense getting stingy at the right time. Eastway's got to figure out a way to get a first down here. Third down and 8 yards to go, 7 yards to go. Pretty much third down in the ball game. 2 minutes, 51 seconds to go in the game. See what they can come up with. Wonder if they got a pass play in the bag of tricks that they can come back with. That'll be an answer to the other pass play. Around the corner with a reverse. He makes one tackle, sees the open field. Minutes, 14 seconds to go. Timeout, Eastway. Desperation setting in for Eastway. 4th down. And stop here would pretty much give Clubview an opportunity to just sit on the ball and run the clock out. Eastway got their own destiny in their hand now. There's a stop here. And he takes a run up the middle. Not sure if the bag of tricks for Eastway is deep enough. Turnover on down. Clubview ball.
We'll be here all night at this one.
2 minutes, 11 seconds left.
Everybody on the ball, hurry up!
Let's see if Clubview elects to run the clock or do they try to run a big play here. Whistle on the field. It's against Eastway. Two things they didn't need is to give up yards and to stop the clock.
Let's go.
Clubview runs the play, gets to the outside. And again, Eastway's defense containing.
Everybody roll out easy.
1:47 left in the game. 2nd down, 5 yards to go. Up the middle, 1st down yard, and that should do it. 1:27 to go. 1st and 10 Clubview.
Stop the clock.
Tell me to start the clock. Down the corner. Being chased. Timeout Eastway. 1 minute, 14 seconds left. Screen pass. He connects on it.
No score.
44 seconds in the game. .24 seconds left. Buckview 21. Eastway 12. Great ball game. Both teams play hard.